Are you looking for the top 5 best ravioli makers for homemade pasta lovers? Are you tired of store-bought ravioli that just doesn't hit the spot? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1, Sailnovo Pasta Maker Machine. The Sailnovo Pasta Maker Machine caught my eye immediately with its sleek silver design and adjustable thickness settings. Priced at $42.99, it offers a lot for those serious about homemade pasta. If you want to create a variety of pasta types with ease, this is worth a serious look. This pasta maker features 9 adjustable thickness settings, allowing you to get your dough just right for spaghetti, lasagna, or even dumpling skins. The thickest setting is 3 millimeters, while you can roll down to 0.5 millimeters for delicate dumplings, which is fantastic for impressing your family or friends with your culinary skills. Plus, it's made from food-grade materials, so you won't have to worry about any weird tastes from metal or plastic. Honestly, with over 2,000 units sold in just the past month, it's clear that this model is a favorite among home chefs. Now, some users have mentioned that the cleaning process can be tedious since the blade attachment shouldn't be submerged in water. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about making pasta, a little bit of extra care for your tools is worth it for the quality you'll get. Just use a brush or toothpick to clean it up, and you'll be fine. This is perfect for you if you love to experiment in the kitchen and want to make authentic pasta at home. However, skip this if you're looking for something super low maintenance or if you don't want to spend time cleaning up after use. For the price and quality, it's a solid investment. Now, if the cleaning aspect...
Product number 2, Takgia Ravioli Stamp Maker. Next up is the Takgia Ravioli Stamp Maker, a fun and affordable addition to your kitchen for just $9.99. The wooden handle and sturdy aluminum frame caught my attention, making it easy to grip and use. If you want to create beautiful, artisanal ravioli without the fuss, this is worth checking out. What makes the Stamp Maker special is its 3 different shapes: round, square, and heart. This means you can quickly make a variety of ravioli styles with just one tool. The fluted edge not only looks great, but also ensures you get a good seal, which is crucial for preventing filling leaks. Perfect for family gatherings or impressing your date, this tool can help you whip up ravioli that feels special but doesn't take all evening. Plus, it's a hit with over 1,000 sold in the past month. However, some users reported that the size may not be ideal for larger batches since it only makes one at a time. But honestly, if you're making ravioli with loved ones, the fun lies in the process, not just the end result. You might find that this is a charming way to spend time together. This is perfect for you if you're looking for something budget-friendly. It still makes you feel like a gourmet chef. But skip this if you need something that can handle mass production, or if you want a more automatic solution. For the price, you really can't go wrong. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for a quick...
Product number 3, the Bellemain Ravioli Maker Press, which retails for $19.99. I was genuinely surprised by how user-friendly this tool is for someone who loves making pasta. If you want to whip up a dozen perfectly shaped ravioli in no time, this is definitely worth a look. The Bellemain press allows you to load up to 12 raviolis at once, taking away the hassle of making them one by one. The metal cutting frame seals them perfectly, so you can skip the tedious egg wash method. With rave reviews from over 700 customers, this tool is making homemade pasta accessible even to beginners. It practically guarantees restaurant-quality results that will impress your family and friends. Now, a few users mentioned that it requires a bit of strength to press down firmly enough. Here's the thing though, if you're making pasta, a little bit of elbow grease is part of the charm. Most people find this manageable and believe it's worth it for the results you'll get. This is perfect for you if you want to create larger batches of ravioli without much hassle. But if you're after intricate designs or specialty shapes, you might want to look elsewhere. For under $20, you get great value that could bring your pasta game to the next level.
Product number 4, Mumsung Ravioli Maker Press Set. Next up is the Mumsung Ravioli Maker Press Set, available for $19.99. What stood out to me is that it includes a wood rolling pin and a ravioli wheel, making it a comprehensive kit for someone serious about homemade pasta. If you want an all-in-one solution for your ravioli making needs, this is worth considering. This kit allows you to create ravioli, empanadas, and even biscuits, all with one set. The updated grooved edges make cutting and sealing a breeze. Plus, the food-grade plastic is pretty durable. It's also easy to clean, which is a huge plus for anyone who dreads the post-cooking cleanup. With over 600 sold recently, it's clear that this kit resonates with home cooks. However, I did notice some complaints about the size of the ravioli being a bit smaller than expected. But honestly, if you're making appetizers or snacks for a gathering, smaller ravioli can be just as charming and easier to handle. It's all about how you present them. This is perfect for you if you want a versatile tool that can handle different types of dough and fillings. But skip this one if you're only focused on traditional ravioli or need something larger. For the price, it's a good deal for what you get. Now, let's wrap up with something specifically designed for dumplings that might catch your...
Product number 5, Russian Ravioli Maker Dumplings Mold. Finally, we have the Russian Ravioli Maker Dumplings Mold by MHH, priced at $15.99. This is a unique option that caught my attention for its ability to create up to 37 dumplings in one go, which is impressive. If you're looking to make larger batches with minimal effort, this one is worth your time. This mold is made from durable aluminum and is designed to make traditional Russian pelmeni, so you can whip out a feast for your family in no time. The mold's flat backside makes washing easy, which is a huge plus for those who dread cleanup after a cooking session. Given over 500 sold lately, it's definitely gaining traction among home cooks wanting to create authentic dishes. However, some users did mention that it can be a bit unwieldy for smaller kitchens due to its size. But here's the thing, if you're making a large batch, the effort is totally worth it. Just think of the delicious meals you could prepare. This is perfect for you if you often entertain or have a big family, but skip it if you're cooking for 1 or 2 and don't want leftovers. For under $16, you're getting an efficient tool for bulk cooking. Now let's wrap this up with a quick comparison.
To quickly recap, the Sail Novo pasta maker is great for thickness options. The Taggia stamp maker is fun and budget-friendly. The Bellemain press is efficient for larger batches. The Mumsung kit is versatile, and the Russian dumpling mold is perfect for bulk cooking. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Bellemain Ravioli Maker Press because it combines ease of use and quality results. I'd avoid the